Baby Aqua and Baby Creamy always keep cool. Now, where have we seen this straw before? Poor Mama Aqua, she melted! Oh, what a world! Always said she was a tall drink of water. Don't worry, we'll get you a new body. Remember, it's always important to hydrate. That takes care of that. Just breathe and embrace the cool. Here, I think you need this cone more than we do. Who needs a desert when your love keeps you warm? For starters, this place is a mess. Let's clean things up. Remember, take care of nature and it'll take care of you. Comes in handy when the floor really is lava. Kiki, Booba. Oh, guess you get to share a mom. I wonder if that makes them siblings. Still, maybe we can pull them apart. Oh, I see. The real mamas were inside. Still, they still look a little mixed up. Or at least a little too over-accessorized. Aw, now talk about a family reunion. She's got a paper clip. We just need to give it a few twists and turns. But it could use something. Grab that cube. Cut it down to size, or shape. A cylinder, that is. Now we can roll on a fresh coat of paint. Let's start with a fresh shade of pink. But Semi-Hemi's a living rainbow. Add some blue. Next up, I'm thinking purple for those pigtails. Much better. Now that's what I call a happy ending. Well, let's give Mama Pinky some time to bond with her new family. These guys could use a nap. You could use a crib and, you know, furniture. Newspaper will have to do. And they say print is dead.
Uh-oh. Cool.
Still, let's make something for those rockabye babies. Add some color. Baby blue? Makes sense. I think I spoke too soon. That's not baby blue, it's sky blue. And this sky's got its own stars, including these three. Aw, nighty-night. What was that? Guess you're not sleeping tonight. Maybe you just need something to settle you. Fresh milk! You can practically taste the cow. Of course, this bottle could use some volume. But I think we're forgetting something. Oh yeah, the milk! Don't worry, your dairy godmother is here. Uh-oh, she needs an udder.
Wow.
Well, we can always make one. Much better. Now give it a good squeeze. And look, there's plenty of bottles to go around. You know, it's such a nice day outside. Why don't we take the babies out for a stroll? They're gonna need a baby carriage. We're fresh out of pumpkins, so cardboard will do. Either way, it's gonna need some wheels. We're gonna whip up a 4-wheel drive. Add blankets and pillows for maximum comfort. But we want to really pamper these babies in the woods. So we're gonna whip you up some pacifiers. Besides, this should ensure a nice, quiet trip. Purple polka dots. That's going out in style. And Mommy can have some me time. What the? Looks like these babies are acting naughty. Using ladders at their age. Wow, they're fast learners. Maybe someone should tell Mama. Guess we can't be too mad. You're only 5 minutes old. Besides, these guys have too much energy. So let's make something safe for them to play on. Don't forget some sturdy stairs. Still, why don't we add a personal touch too? Now Gray will also watch out for them. Someone needs to keep an eye on these kids. And Mama's right here to catch you. Just don't go too fast for her. Never mind. Actually, you guys are all getting messy. Don't worry, Mother knows best. She's gonna make you a bathtub. Plus, it's big enough to be a swimming pool. Either way, we're gonna need some water. Water usually isn't crunchy, but to each their own. Come on, guys, the paper water's fine. You too, Oren. Ah, much better. Now relax and let all your troubles wash away. And why not have swim practice while you're at it? We don't want you getting too cold. Time for some towels and some warm kisses. Still, something tells me they were in the pool too long.
Ew.
But look who's here to help. It's Ratty. Sorry, buddy. You're about to lose face. But it'd be a shame to let it go to waste. Maybe it just needs a little depth. And tissues. You can't go wrong with tissues.
Cool.
For once, it's okay to pick your friend's nose. In fact, let's make a place for the minions to hang out. Now the babies have their own minion mobile. Aw, that puts smiles on your faces. Now off to sleep. What? You need a story or something? Ooh, there's somebody at the door. Why, it's our old pal. A piece of paper. And just in time for our latest craft. Looks like the babies are getting a mini Pinky Mama of their own. She'll need lips to give goodnight kisses.